What if AI could help thousands of families return home faster after a wildfire? In California, that's not a futuristic idea, it's happening right now. In the wake of devastating wildfires that destroyed more than 16,000 structures across Los Angeles County earlier this year, the state is turning to artificial intelligence to fast-track recovery. Before we dive into how this works, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. We love hearing your thoughts on how tech is changing the world. Governor Gavin Newsom recently announced a major initiative to use AI to speed up the building permit approval process, which has traditionally been slow and frustrating for homeowners. The software, developed by Australian tech firm Archistar, uses machine learning and computer vision to review building plans for compliance with local zoning and safety codes. This means homeowners and developers can get immediate feedback and pre-approve their designs, cutting out the tedious back and forth that usually delays permits. Governor Newsom put it bluntly, the old permitting process just isn't fast enough to meet the scale of the disaster. By partnering with the tech industry and local organizations, the state aims to rebuild more efficiently. The AI tool is being provided for free to Los Angeles City and County, thanks to a collaboration with nonprofits like LA Rises and Steadfast LA, along with support from Autodesk and Amazon. Mayor Karen Bass of Los Angeles fully supports the move, calling it a critical step in getting residents back home quickly and safely. She said the city is bringing cutting-edge tech into City Hall to ensure nothing delays recovery. Los Angeles County is also on board. The Board of Supervisors approved a unified permitting authority at the new Altadena One-Stop Recovery Center. Supervisor Catherine Barger emphasized that this tool could save homeowners serious time by helping them submit code-compliant plans from the very beginning. And it's not just a local experiment. Archistar's AI is already in use in more than 25 cities across the US, Canada, and Australia, including Vancouver, Austin, Houston, and Seattle. In fact, Austin has adopted AI tools to streamline permits for single-family homes. Honolulu's planning department reports cutting permit times by 70% using similar tech. The city of Hamilton in Ontario is doing the same. Experts say this tech could be a model for future disaster recovery. David Waite, a partner at Cox Castle and Nicholson LLP, pointed to Santa Rosa's recovery from the 2017 Tubbs fire. In the Coffee Park neighborhood, 85% of homes were rebuilt in just 3 years, thanks in large part to permitting reforms. California's new AI-driven system shows how public-private partnerships and technology can help entire communities bounce back faster. It's not just about rebuilding structures, it's about restoring lives and creating a smarter, faster path to recovery. Don't forget to check out the related video in the corner to learn more about how AI is transforming cities across the globe.